Okay, for the last couple of years I've been using this style of shovel holder on the Prado, and whilst they've worked fine, the bit I don't really like is the fact that this very fine thread here takes a long time to wind in and out. So with the release of the new Rhino-Rack Stow It kit, I reckon this is going to be a lot better. So let's just have a look inside and see what we get in the box. Okay, so we've got the fitting kit with the keys. We've also got an instruction handout, leaflet, whatever you want to call it. And then down inside the box itself, we've actually got the units themselves. Okay, so here they are. This is what they look like. And I think the main thing about these is the fact that to open them, you simply have to push here on these two buttons and up it pops. So, and it's a ratchet type adjustment for the tension of the size of the handle that you use, and it can be fixed in two locations, either through this base hole here or through the one on a slight angle, depending on the geometry and how you want to actually fit your shovel to the side of your roof rack. All in all, I think these are going to be great, and now I'm just going to have to fit them. So with the supplied fitting kit, it was pretty easy just to mount the two mounts onto the top of my Pioneer rack. First of all, you slide the nut into the channel here down to the required location, and then you have the clamp itself open. I decided to mount it on the angle just to give me a little bit extra height and clearance, and then you simply screw the screw down into the nut and it locks it onto the rack itself. So pretty easy. It fits nicely on my setup, and as I said earlier, you can either lock these in position so that no one can actually release the clamps, or you can leave it unlocked and just use it as required. But like I said, it's so easy. All you do is just push the two buttons, it pops open. Do the same at the other end and you can just release your shovel. When you're putting it back together, once the shovel's in position, you just push it in until it clamps up tight, and then job done. This looks like it's going to be a whole lot quicker and a whole lot easier to get that shovel on and off when you actually need it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later on.